Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Metapixel in Shopify for ad attribution. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To configure Metapixel in Shopify for ad attribution, start by logging into your Shopify admin panel. In the left-hand navigation menu, click on Online Store. Then, select Preferences from the drop-down menu. Scroll down to the Facebook Pixel section on the Preferences page. If you don't see this option, make sure your Facebook channel is connected. To connect, click on the Connect Facebook button and follow the prompts. Once connected, navigate back to the Preferences section. You will need your Metapixel ID for this step. Log into your Facebook Events Manager and find the Pixel section. Copy your Pixel ID from the Events Manager dashboard. Return to your Shopify admin panel and paste the Pixel ID into the provided field. After entering the Pixel ID, click Save at the top right corner of the page. Next, go to your Facebook Business Manager. Click on the Data Sources drop-down and select Pixels. Ensure your pixel is properly set up by checking its status. Once confirmed, you can set up standard events in Shopify for more detailed tracking. Return to the Shopify admin panel and navigate to Settings. Click on Checkout to manage tracking settings for your checkout process. Scroll down to the Order Processing section. Look for the Additional Scripts box. Here, you can add custom event codes. Add the necessary event code snippets for tracking purchases, add to cart, or other user actions. Be sure to save your changes once you've added the scripts. Now, to verify that the pixel is working correctly, use Facebook's Pixel Helper Chrome. Install the extension and visit your Shopify store. The extension will indicate whether the pixel is firing correctly. Finally, monitor your ad campaigns in Facebook Ads Manager to verify proper attribution. With the Metapixel properly configured in Shopify, you're set to optimize your ad performance and track conversions accurately. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.